Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up overdraft protection with TD Bank, coverage options step by step clearly. To set up overdraft protection with TD Bank, begin by visiting their official website. Log into your TD Bank online banking account with your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the main dashboard. Select the checking account for which you want to set up overdraft protection. Look for the option labeled Overdraft Services or Overdraft Protection. Click on this option to view the available coverage choices. TD Bank typically offers several types of overdraft protection. You can link a savings account for automatic transfers when overdrafts occur. Alternatively, you may choose a line of credit option for overdraft coverage. Review the terms and conditions for each option carefully. Select the preferred overdraft protection type based on your needs. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice and input any necessary information. Once you have made your selection, submit the request for overdraft protection. You should receive a confirmation message once the setup is complete. Keep in mind to monitor your account regularly to avoid overdrafts. Consider reviewing your overdraft protection settings annually to ensure they still fit your needs. If you encounter any issues during this process, contact TD Bank customer service for assistance. This will help ensure you have the right overdraft protection in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.